Hello and welcome back to Tutoring with Gavin. In this series of videos I'll be showing you how to get a great grade in the GCSE English Language and English Literature exams. Both language and literature exams for the GCSE require you to understand literary devices and how to use them effectively and imaginatively. In this video I will show you how to improve your grade by using and understanding the effects of similes and metaphors. Similes and metaphors are used to describe something by using either indirect or direct comparison. We use them in story writing because it gives the reader a better image of the thing you are describing and it makes the writing more colourful. The difference between a simile and a metaphor is that a simile compares indirectly, sometimes using the word like or as, whereas a metaphor is a direct comparison, stating that something is something else. For example, the man clawed at the windows of the old house, which stared back at him like the tired eyes of a withered old man. In your exam, you should try to use 2 or 3 of these if you can. By practicing your stories in advance, you will build up a list of favourite similes and metaphors you can use in the exam when appropriate. Here are some clever examples of how John Steinbeck uses similes to create animal imagery. By comparing certain characters to animals, he creates another layer of description. Here are 3 of his similes from the novel of Mice and Men. He walked heavily, dragging his feet a little, the way a bear drags his paws. Slowly, like a terrier who doesn't want to bring a ball to its master, Lenny approached. Curly was flopping like a fish on a line. And here are 3 metaphors he uses. This girl squawks and squawks. Curly's pants is just crawling with ants. Lenny covered his face with his huge paws and bleated with terror. In preparation for any story you write, decide what animal your character reminds you of. Then practice and try different examples until you feel comfortable that you've got the best possible image ready for your story. I will be covering many aspects of narrative writing in other videos. If you would like notification of when they are available, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Please also like my Facebook page for other daily tips on how to get a great grade. Until next time.